Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a very special Dollar Tree sticker video. I am so excited to share this video with you today, and you're gonna see why. So if you haven't watched my channel before, you know I reach out with videos where I create cards from items that I purchased from Dollar Tree, usually stickers. And I try to make them really pretty cards. Sometimes they're super simple, and sometimes I try to make them a little complex. So today, let me show you the items that I used to create the card. So first up, I used this Spellbinders cutting die Essential 4 petal. This has 10 cutting dies. I really like this design. I also used some sequence, and I think they're just called flat gems, or not exactly know what they're called, but they're from Spellbinders, and I believe I used the green here. And now for the stickers that I used. So I used this cute little set. It's 12 piece, and this is a brand new one, and it has all the pieces here that comes with the set. I thought it was really pretty. It is popped up a little bit, but you can see some of the pop-up squares through like this conch shell here, and so you have to be careful of that. But this is the stickers that I use. So let me share the card. So here is the card that I made. I thought it turned out really pretty, and I just love the colors. I love the simple design, and I really like when I don't put a sentiment on the front, so it can be used for whatever occasion that I want. I think I used all the pop-ups on these pieces. I used because you couldn't see them. Maybe on this sea plant I didn't, but I thought it turned out really pretty. I used my paper that I normally get from Joann. Is the basil paper. So let me tell you why this card is really special to me, because I entered it into the California State Fair competition for crafts, paper design. I've entered a couple of cards in before, and gotten honorable mention. But for this simple design with a Dollar Tree sticker, I actually won second place prize for my card. So how awesome is that? So I got a little second place ribbon here. This is what they had displayed in the window. I've kind of taken off some of my information, but they had this placed in the display window along with the card. So I was super, super excited that not only that I did win a ribbon for a card that I made, but that I used Dollar Tree stickers. How cool is that? So it just goes to show that you don't have to have a lot of fancy items or tools or things in your stash to make a beautiful card, which is why I kind of started the Dollar Tree series, the Dollar Tree sticker series. So let me know what you think before. And like I said, I was so excited to share with you guys this. I couldn't wait till I could go pick up the card and my ribbon so I could make a video and share with you with my excitement of winning a second place ribbon. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.